Number 1. Pizza vending machines. Imagine a hot, freshly baked pizza ready anytime, anywhere with zero waiting. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, pizza vending machines are turning that dream into reality, a total game changer in fast food. These automated marvels cater to people who crave speed and convenience without sacrificing flavor or freshness. Perfect for spots where traditional restaurants aren't an immediate option. The cost? Around $30,000 to $50,000. Each pizza can sell for $7 to $12, and in a busy spot, you could pull in $500 to $1,500 a day. After covering ingredients, maintenance, and electricity, that's roughly $5,000 to $10,000 in monthly profit. Whew, that's not bad for a fully automated pizzeria. Where do they shine the most? Airports, train stations, universities, shopping malls, basically anywhere there's constant demand for fast, tasty food. Even gas stations, convenience stores, and supermarkets can turn these machines into extra revenue streams, especially when regular restaurants are closed. Whew, that's a serious business opportunity. Here's the magic. The machine kneads the dough, layers the toppings you select, bakes it to perfection, and delivers it piping hot in just a few minutes. Yup, every pizza can be fully customized. Talk about an unforgettable experience. Number 2. Artistic cotton candy machines. Cotton candy isn't just a treat. It's nostalgia, joy, and now moving art. With these machines, classic carnival cotton candy transforms into decorative shapes like hearts, flowers, or storybook figures, all automatically. The cost? Around $3,000 to $7,000. Running one for an event can bring in $200 to $500 a day, while a permanent setup in a busy spot could pull in $1,500 to $3,000 a month. A sweet way to turn sugar into steady income. From sugar to the final spun masterpiece, the machine handles everything. Perfect for theme parks, zoos, malls, cinemas, and any large-scale event. And here's a twist. Yeah, you can also rent them for weddings, birthdays, school fairs, or corporate events. Kids and adults alike can't resist, delivering fresh, beautiful treats in minutes with zero waiting.
Number 3. Popcorn vending machines. Popcorn is that timeless snack everyone loves. And now, thanks to specialized vending machines, you can get it hot, fresh, and ready anywhere. Looking at the price, these machines run about $5,000 to $10,000. Each serving can go for $2 to $5, and in busy areas, $100 to $300 a day is totally realistic. After covering costs, that's roughly $2,500 to $9,000 a month. Yeah, popcorn can be surprisingly profitable. The process is fully automated. The machine measures kernels and oil, pops them to perfection, and delivers a freshly cooked serving in minutes. Crispy, fluffy, delicious. Perfect for cinemas, airports, metro stations, universities, shopping centers, even amusement parks or convenience stores. Their precision builds trust and repeat customers. Think about the recurring revenue potential in high-traffic areas. Number 4. Instant noodle vending machines. Instant noodles are synonymous with speed and convenience, but these machines take it to the next level. Talking numbers, these machines go for $6,000 to $12,000 each. Each meal sells for $3 to $6, and in busy spots, you could pull in $150 to $400 a day. After expenses, that's about $3,000 to $7,000 a month. Ooh, instant noodles just turned into instant money. In minutes, the machine delivers a hot, ready-to-eat meal, fully automated. It opens the packet, adds boiling water, and serves a perfect portion for a quick bite.
Ideal for universities, transport hubs, hospitals, offices, airports, basically anywhere people crave a quick, comforting meal. Multiple flavors and brands allow full customization. Festivals and fairs love them too. Hot meals are rare treats there, and this machine fills the gap brilliantly. Number 5. Snack and beverage vending machines. Snack and beverage machines remain a cornerstone of the fast food and convenience industry. Price tag? These machines range from $2,000 to $8,000 depending on size and features. On average, each can bring in $50 to $200 a day in busy spots, which adds up to $1,500 to $6,000 a month after restocking and maintenance. Small machines, big returns. They provide instant access to sodas, juices, chocolates, cookies, and even healthier options. Offices, co-working spaces, hospitals, schools, universities, gas stations, malls, you name it. Advanced cooling keeps products fresh and high quality. Available 24/7, they don't just sell, they enhance the experience, giving customers extra convenience they truly appreciate. Yeah, that's how you turn simple snacks into a profitable, reliable business. Number 6. Cube ice vending machines. Need fresh ice anytime without relying on staff or store hours? Cube ice vending machines are a modern, practical, and reliable solution. Their function is simple but incredibly powerful. Produce and dispense ice continuously, ensuring you never run out, whether you're at a beach, campground, gas station, supermarket, or an outdoor event. And here's the real kicker. These machines usually cost between $8,000 and $15,000, depending on capacity and features, but the profit potential is solid. Selling bags of ice at $2 to $5 each, a busy location could easily bring in $1,500 to $3,000 per month, which means you could see your investment back in less than a year if you pick the right spot. The best part? Versatility. Customers can select the exact amount and size of ice they need. From single portions to large bags for parties, gatherings, or celebrations. Event organizers, take note. These machines are a logistical dream, keeping drinks and food cold all day long while creating a new revenue stream. That's smart business right there. Number 7. Ice cream vending machines. Ice cream. Everybody loves it, right? Now it's instantly available thanks to automated ice cream vending machines. Just press a button and in seconds, you get a creamy, fresh treat without relying on staff or extra counter space. And speaking of boosting, these machines typically cost around $5,000 to $12,000 depending on features. Selling ice cream at $3 to $5 per serving, a popular spot could easily generate $1,000 to $2,500 monthly. Sweet, right? These machines maintain perfect temperature, preserving texture and flavor with every serving. Users simply choose their favorite option, and the machine handles everything else, from preparation to immediate delivery. Ideal for high-traffic locations like malls, beaches, hospitals, university campuses, and amusement parks. Even restaurants and cafes can leverage them to offer desserts without hiring extra staff or taking up more space. Yeah, that's a tasty revenue booster. Number 8. Protein vending machines. For athletes, fitness enthusiasts, or anyone seeking quick, healthy supplements, protein vending machines are a game changer. These units offer protein shakes, fortified waters, and drinks in various brands and flavors. Perfect before or after a workout. These machines usually cost $6,000 to $10,000. And with drinks sold around $3 to $6, you could be looking at $800 to $2,000 per month in a busy gym or event space. That's consistent, hassle-free revenue. With advanced refrigeration, beverages stay fresh and high quality. A diverse catalog allows users to pick based on nutritional needs and personal preference. Perfect for gyms, sports centers, training courts, and events like marathons, competitions, or health fairs. Imagine the recurring income from fitness-conscious customers craving convenience and quality.
Number 9. Coffee vending machines. Coffee isn't just a drink. It's a daily ritual for millions. And these automated machines make it possible anytime, anywhere. From a bold espresso to a frothy cappuccino or classic Americano, these units cover all preferences, delivering consistent flavor, aroma, and texture. Coffee machines typically run $4,000 to $12,000, and with cups priced at $2 to $4, you could easily see $1,500 to $4,000 per month in a busy location. Imagine, your coffee machine could basically pay for itself in a few months. Equipped with touchscreen interfaces, users can customize orders in seconds. They're especially valuable in offices, co-working spaces, hospitals, universities, and shopping centers where coffee is part of daily life. Beyond saving time, these machines provide convenience and high-value service. A must-have for workplaces and public spaces alike, and a strong, steady income opportunity.
Number 10. Drinking water vending machines. In a world leaning towards sustainability, purified water vending machines offer a practical alternative to disposable bottles. Users can refill bottles and jugs of various sizes, gaining access to clean, safe, and cost-effective water. Costs for these machines range from $3,000 to $8,000, with water selling at half a dollar to $1 per liter. In a high-traffic spot, monthly income can reach $500 to $2,000, making it both profitable and environmentally friendly. Fully automated, the system lets you place your container, select the amount, and receive filtered water instantly. Perfect for individuals, families, or businesses that need large volumes. High-traffic locations like supermarkets, parks, residential complexes, gyms, and offices benefit the most. Installing these machines in busy areas, transport hubs, malls, creates a valuable, eco-friendly service that customers love. Yeah, that's business with purpose.
Number 11. Live Lobster Claw Machine. Picture a classic arcade claw machine, but instead of plush toys, it's packed with live lobsters. Customers pay between $3 and $5 per attempt to try their luck at catching dinner straight from the tank. If they succeed, the lobster is cooked on the spot, serving up a fresh, unforgettable dish. That's not just food, it's an experience. This concept has gained traction in seafood bars and restaurants that want to offer something interactive and memorable. The machine itself costs between $15,000 and $25,000, depending on tank size and customization. Operational costs include water maintenance, electricity, and buying live lobsters, which can run from $15 to $25 each depending on size and season. Now let's talk revenue. If you get around 100 attempts a day at an average of $4 per try, that's $400 daily. And that's before counting extra income from drinks or side dishes. The real magic here is that patrons pay not just for the lobster, but for the challenge and excitement of catching it. Perfect for seafood restaurants, bars, or themed fairs. Yeah! Experience sells. Number 12. Custom Phone Case Machine. This machine takes personalization to the next level.
It prints phone cases with any design, photo, or meme you upload. The process is simple. Choose your phone model, upload your image, and in less than 5 minutes, boom! You got a one-of-a-kind case in your hands. It's fun, fast, and perfect for last-minute gifts or anyone who wants to stand out with something truly unique. Now, let's talk business. The machine itself costs between $10,000 and $15,000, depending on its speed and capacity. Running it isn't too expensive either. Blank cases are around $2 to $5 each, plus ink and basic maintenance. Here's where it gets exciting. Each custom case can sell for $15 to $25, which means you pocket $10 to $20 profit per unit. Sell just 50 cases a day and you're already making $500 to $1,000 daily. Place one of these machines in a mall, an airport, or a busy tourist area, and you basically got a 24/7 money-making personalization station.
Number 13. Automated Screen Protector Station. Say goodbye to crooked screen protectors, bubbles, and that frustrating moment when you realize you wasted one trying to stick it on straight. This automated station does all the work for you. With a sleek touchscreen interface, the user simply selects their exact phone model, places the device inside, and in just 2 to 3 minutes, the protector is applied flawlessly. No stress, no mess, no human intervention. Now, let's talk numbers. These machines go for $7,000 to $12,000, depending on features and speed. The operating costs? Pretty straightforward. Screen protectors usually range from $3 to $10, plus some light maintenance and calibration every now and then. But here's the kicker. Each installation can be sold for $15 to $30. At an average of $20 per install, 50 customers a day could bring in about $1,000 daily profit, even after covering supplies and upkeep. And the best part? Placement. Tech stores, shopping malls, airports, basically anywhere people are on the go and want a fast, precise, and professional result. This is the kind of business that combines convenience with high demand, and it just sells itself.
Number 14. Gold Bar Vending Machine. Yes, a real gold vending machine. Customers swipe a card or pay cash, choose the weight from 1 to 10 grams, and instantly receive genuine gold. Prices adjust automatically based on market rates, creating a real-time luxury experience that combines tech and exclusivity. Initial cost starting at $60,000, which includes advanced security systems, smart sensors, and armored storage mechanisms. Operating requires restocking gold, maintaining insurance, and regular maintenance, roughly 1 to 2% of stored gold's value per year. Profit comes from the margin and convenience. Each transaction can yield 3 to 5% above market price. Sell $500,000 of gold in a month, you could net $15,000 to $25,000 monthly. Not bad. This business fits luxury hotels, premium airports, or high-end tourist destinations. The key? Exclusivity and instant gratification, blending sophistication and cutting-edge technology.
Number 15. Showtime Coffee Machine. Forget ordinary coffee machines. This one turns brewing into a spectacle. Its transparent casing showcases every step: hot water flow, milk frothing, and precise layering of the coffee. The cup seals automatically, all without human intervention. Laboratory-level precision in every pour. We're talking about a cost of $8,000 to $15,000 depending on size and capacity. Add in operating costs, coffee beans, fresh milk, cups, cleaning, you're looking at about 50 cents to $1.50 per cup. But here's the fun part.
Sell each coffee at $4 to $6, move around 100 cups a day, and you're pulling in roughly $500 daily before expenses. That's some serious latte money. Perfect for cafes, malls, or airports. Customers don't just buy coffee, they buy a show, paying a little extra to witness the magic of perfect brewing while sipping an impeccable cup. Yeah, experience and quality go hand in hand.
Number 16. Perfume Spray Vending Machine. This isn't your typical perfume counter. Forget the bottles and awkward paper strips. This machine delivers quick, touchless sprays. Customers just pick their favorite fragrance, and within seconds, the scent is applied directly to the wrist or neck. It's instant, hygienic, precise, and honestly, it makes testing perfumes feel like a fun, futuristic experience. Now, let's get into the business side. These machines cost between $7,000 and $12,000, depending on how many fragrances they can hold and their overall capacity. Running costs are surprisingly low. Each spray is about 50 cents to $1 in refill cost, plus basic electricity and maintenance. Here's where things get exciting. You can charge $2 to $5 per spray. At an average of $3 and around 200 users a day, you're looking at $600 in daily revenue and about $400 to $450 net profit. The best spots? Airports, shopping malls, train stations, and cosmetic stores. Anywhere people are moving fast but still want to indulge in a little luxury. And remember, the true value here isn't only the profit. It's giving customers a sleek, no-commitment way to enjoy fragrances, which leads to repeat sales later on.
Number 17. Automatic Nail Art Machine. Picture a manicure without appointments or stylists, finished in seconds. This machine prints pixel-perfect designs directly on nails. Customers can select from preset designs or upload their own digital creations. Quick, precise, and customizable. A true game changer. So, the machine cost? You're looking at $15,000 to $25,000, depending on how many nails it can handle at once and the print resolution. Operating costs, special nail polishes, electricity, regular calibration stay around $1 to $2 per manicure. Now, sell each design for $8 to $20. And if you're averaging 100 manicures a day at $12 each, that's $1,200 daily revenue, with a neat $900 profit. Nails turning into pure cash flow. This concept works well in malls, airports, university campuses, and fashion festivals. Customers enjoy creating unique designs without waiting, making every manicure a fast, fun, and highly personalized experience. Yeah!
Number 18. Optic Wash. Optic Wash isn't just a kiosk, it's a smart automated station designed to keep your essentials spotless. Glasses, water-resistant phones, jewelry, you name it. In just 2 minutes, it uses nothing but purified water and UV light to clean and disinfect with zero heat and no harsh chemicals. The result? Items that are fresh, germ-free, and ready to use without the hassle. Now, let's break down the numbers. Each machine costs between $5,000 and $10,000, making it one of the more affordable automated business options out there. Daily operating costs are minimal. Purified water, electricity, routine maintenance, and the occasional UV lamp replacement, which comes out to about 50 cents per cleaning. The profit margin? That's where it shines. Charging $3 to $7 per service and assuming an average of 150 cleanings a day at $5 each, you'd bring in $750 in daily revenue, with around $600 net profit. Talk about a sparkling return on investment.
Best part? These kiosks fit perfectly in optical stores, shopping malls, airports, and train stations, places where speed and convenience rule. Travelers and everyday customers get instant, reliable, and eco-friendly cleaning. It's simple, practical, and honestly, the kind of service that sells itself. Number 19. Automated Rotating Toilet. This machine takes on one of the biggest public challenges, bathroom hygiene. With a futuristic design featuring dual rotating bowls, one is always ready for use while the other gets cleaned and dried under high pressure. The result? Constant cleanliness, zero downtime, and absolutely no human intervention. Pure efficiency in action. Now, let's dive into the numbers. The cost of one of these units ranges from $50,000 to $80,000, depending on its size, level of automation, and built-in safety features. Surprisingly, the daily operating costs are super low, just $5 to $10 for water, electricity, disinfectants, and routine maintenance. Here's where it gets exciting. By charging $1 to $3 per use and averaging 500 users a day at $2 each, you're looking at $1,000 daily revenue and roughly $900 net profit. And the cherry on top? These kiosks can also include advertising screens or brand partnerships, which means extra income on the side. Talk about clean profits. The best part is the placement. Think train stations, airports, music festivals, tourist hotspots, and even parking lots. The selling point is simple but powerful: reliable hygiene and convenience. People don't mind paying a small fee when they know the restroom will always be spotless and ready to use. Turns out smart sanitation can be a seriously profitable business.
Number 20. Smart Locker Vending Machine. Imagine combining secure storage with high-volume product sales. That's exactly what this machine does. In storage mode, users scan a QR code, pick a locker, and safely store their belongings for as long as they need. Perfect for busy malls, train stations, airports, or co-working spaces. It offers convenience for people looking to lighten their load and free their hands. Cost ranges from $6,000 to $12,000 depending on size and features, including refrigeration and smart lockers. Monthly operating costs are low, around $100 to $300 for electricity and minor maintenance. Revenue? That depends on your products and foot traffic, but you could realistically generate $1,000 to $4,000 per month per machine. With a smart strategy combining storage and retail, ROI is achievable in 12 to 24 months. Starting a business is straightforward. Acquire one or more units, choose high-traffic locations, negotiate commissions with local suppliers, and promote usage with clear signage and targeted marketing. The beauty? It runs 24/7 without additional staff, maximizing income while offering a practical solution for users.